Hey friends, if you encounter the error, your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to unplug all peripherals, and I'll tell you why we are doing this, because peripherals like printers, scanners, cameras, etc. push their own drivers to the computer, and these drivers will interfere with the existing drivers of the computer, thus and this conflict causes the problem. So I will suggest you to unplug peripherals before anything else. The next solution is to update drivers. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and select advanced options in the right pane. Select optional updates and install all the optional updates. Then return to the Windows Update page and click on update to check for updates. The next solution is to update Windows, which has been done already. And the last one is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart the system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.